Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I am super duper excited to teach you another easy recipe. It's going to be Risa's peanut butter banana splits, okay? But it is spelt Reese's. Eventually I'll call it Risa's. And I just want to show you, check it out. I've been eating them. These delicious, really easy, of course, high protein, cherry cheesecake pops, okay? And you can check it out on my video, okay? And super delicious, easy, high protein. Let's see those cherries, okay? And of course, you can change it up. My recipes are versatile. Anyways, let's get on with what I'm doing. This is ridiculously easy, but it's fun. You can do it yourself with your children. You can make this as a snack, as a dessert, for company. Why not? You can have it after a workout or just, as a delicious evening treat, afternoon treat. Any time is good for me. And so hopefully it's good for you as well. So what are you going to need to make this easy dessert? Of course, your banana, all right? So one banana, medium, large, whatever you want. 0 smart points on Weight Watchers. If it's really huge, then maybe you'll have to use half or a smaller one, because really for one serving of fruit is 1 cup on WW. All right. The other thing you're going to need is Cool Whip. Now, I buy the 95% fat-free. Okay, you can use whichever brand or kind that you get. There are no name kinds. I get this at Walmart. For 3 tablespoons is 1 smart point. So you want to use more, you want to use less, it's up to you. But for 3 tablespoons is 1 smart point that I'm using. Okay, my other favorite thing is my PB2 powder. And I'm only using a teaspoon. But if you want more peanut butter flavor, people, 2 tablespoons is only 1 smart point. So why not splurge? Have it if you like, all right? It's up to you. The other thing you can add if you want is I buy these Sensado sugar-free chocolate chips at the low-carb grocery store. But it's up to you. For 1 tablespoon, it is 1 smart point. If you're just sprinkling in a few, I don't count it. If you're very, very strict, you measure it and you check it out, okay? I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I do. Another option, of course, because, what's banana split without delicious syrup, okay? So let me turn this around. The Smucker's caramel or the Smucker's chocolate, okay? And if it comes in other flavors, these are my 2 favorite flavors. For 1 tablespoon, it's only 1 smart point. For 2 tablespoons, it hikes up to 3 smart points. And I'm a little stingy with my smart points, okay? And of course, if you want to add any like nuts or seeds to this, you just account for the smart points. For almonds, slivered almonds, you could use some pumpkin seeds, some sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon is 1 smart point, all right? But check your nutritional information, all right? Because yours might vary depending on the brand that you're using. I always say that. Now, the other thing is I love other fruit. So just to make it look pretty, if you're serving it, you can add that on the side. So let's get started. We're going to just take our banana and peel it. Very easy. It's so ridiculously easy. And I'm just going to take it and I'm going to just take the knife and just go through the middle. Okay? Not all the way through. Try not to break it like I am. Okay? So that it opens up and you're just going to spread it apart. All right, and then I'm going to stick it in a bowl and just keep it so that it's still attached, okay? even if you break it a little bit, if you're eating it, you know, no matter what, it goes down the same way, okay? Now I have my Cool Whip and my PB2. Now, if you don't want to use PB2, you don't have to, but of course, I love it. It gives a great flavor. So you could sprinkle it on, you can stick it on in as I'm doing. Again, it's up to you. You want more, you want to just use regular peanut butter just to count for the smart points. But this whole recipe, the way I'm making it, is going to be really low. So let's see here. I'm going to find, I wanted to find my scoop to make it look pretty. So I'm just taking like an ice cream scoop and making it look like ice cream. Okay? Take another scoop. And if you have a bigger scooper, you can make it larger scoops. Okay? And I'm just going to take more and scoop it like that. Of course, I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to take my spatula. And you can have this any time of year. I know that you're looking at me going, well, it must be summertime there in Toronto, and you are correct, people. I'm in my tank top and it is hot. It is very hot finally. I'm not complaining. I like the heat. So I'm just going to add a little bit more on top. And it's super cute, just the way it is like that. But of course, I'm just going to add a little bit of more fruit on the side, just to make it a little bit prettier. And add a few chocolate chips. I'm just going to sprinkle in a couple. That's it. And I'm going to put in maybe a teaspoon so I don't have to count it because I'm cheap with my points of, let's see, make sure. I haven't used this for a while. Everything in moderation. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Oh, baby. All right. Dun da da da. Your banana split. How cute is that? Super easy, fast, delicious, low fat, low sugar, okay? And of course, versatile, which is what I like. And it looks so cute. Wouldn't your kids love it? Your husband, your wife, anybody. Your mother, your daughter, like anybody, your sons, your family members. Cute thing, if you have really cute bowls, I just used a regular bowl. You can put it in an adorable bowl and serve that, and people are going to go, oh my God, that looks super amazing. And you know, it took you 2 seconds to do. You can, especially with Cool Whip, if you use whipped cream, that is an option, but whipped cream will melt. If you use the Cool Whip, you can even make it in advance, keep it in your fridge. You want to make it frozen and add it to your freezer, why not? But I would make it not too long in advance because, you know, you're going to want to eat it right away because it is super yummy. Okay, so this is my easy, crazy, easy, delicious recipe. I'm going to have lots more on Risa's recipes. So please subscribe, share, like, okay? Remember to like it. And, well, I hope you like it. And I love seeing your posts when you make my recipes and you take a picture on my Facebook group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa, okay? Risa's Piece 8 on Instagram. I know so many things on social media these days. My website, www.risaweiner.com, all right? And remember, all my recipes are written under each video. When you ring the bell option, my friends, you'll get all my new recipes by email, okay? So don't forget to do that and enjoy this delicious Risa's peanut butter. I haven't decided the name, but I will. Risa's Pieces banana split, okay? And of course, you can use other fruit, whatever you want on the side, and make it look super delicious, but of course, healthy as well. And that's what we like. We want to have things that are healthy and motivating and inspiring to keep us on track. All right, so take care. Love you guys. See you soon. Mwah! Bye for now.